Hi, my name is Marilyn Garcia and I will show you the amazing and translucent Cuccio Flex Clear. So let's do nails. I have my model already prepared and the model already have the Cuccio veneer step number 2 fuse. That's why it's so shiny. And we are going to apply Flex Clear gels with a form. I'm going to take the Cuccio Pro forms, place the tab underneath to make it a little bit sturdy, and place the form. I place the form, and it's not too inclined, it's like almost like a straight position. And I will use the clear flex gel with the Cuccio Pro Premium LED gel brush. Scoop an amount of the clear gel, you can see how clear it is, and apply it just to construct the free edge like a base, using the form and flex clear gel. It's very easy to apply. It will not run all over the place like you see right now. And I have my base already done. I will press a little bit the form and put it to cure in a Cuccio lamp LED, the Max Pro Curve 2. So once this is cured, I will add glitter, different ones, and you can see how translucent is our Cuccio T3 Flex Gels. The curing time is 1 minute in a LED lamp and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. So it's done. I only construct a little of the base. Also, we use the clear gel, flex gel, to adhere the design. So I will apply a little amount of the clear flex gel. Now I will use the silicone brushes, Cuccio silicone brushes, to pick up the glitters and place it on the nail. It's very easy with the silicone brush. So I'm adding it. Now I change the glitter. In a few spots on the nail. I like the design already, and now I will cure it in the lamp. 1 minute in a LED lamp and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. So my second layer is already cured. You can see how it's looking right now, but the magic will be when I take the Cuccio form out. You can see the design with the clarity of the flex gels. So the last step will be applying, it's like encapsulate them. And this is our final step. Just apply a third layer of the clear gel. This gel have a different viscosity. It's very easy to apply, very clear, as you can see. very simple to manage. And I love the effect with glitter. It looks so with a lot of depth. Nice. I will flip it, count onto like 5 seconds, and then in the lamp. And we'll be finishing 1 minute, and we are gonna be ready to file. Remove the Cuccio Pro form. Oh, nice, voila, look. Perfect. Now we're gonna remove the tacky layer, the nail, also clean it underneath, and just start filing. If you have an e-file, just file it with the e-file, but be careful because the gel is very easy to file, and maybe you're going to file too much with the e-file. So I prefer a hand file when I'm doing gel nails. So I'm finishing filing, then buffer. I love this buffer because it's not too smooth, so have the leave the perfect surface to apply a gel top coat. Clean the dust and finish it with a no cleans Cuccio Pro no top coat. Nice. I'm using the no cleans top coat over the flex gels. I love the shiny, I love the clarity of the nail. Perfect. So now cure it under the LED lamp for 1 minute. And remember, if you have a UV light, it's 2 minutes. And you're gonna see soon the finished nails. This is the finished nails, and voila, the other ones. Also, each one have a different like a design or different glitters. This one have aluminum foil, that's why it's different, but I love the all overall look. So remember that for these nails I use the flex gels in clear, also the silicone brushes, and no clean top coat to get that look.